Sandy Barrett, a scientist, artist, photographer, and a teacher. And I have been using the microscope, a tool of science, for art, and actually discovered that the microscope can pick up sacred wisdom in our molecules. I know that sounds strange, but it is what I've been doing. When I photographed these mineral salts related to the Zodiac, I've discovered that there were 4 primary shapes. And so it turned out that the 4 shapes aligned perfectly with the elements of air, water, fire, and earth. And so I created this microcosmic wisdom deck of minerals related to the Zodiac. They're not some preconceived idea of what an oracle deck should look like. These are coming from divine wisdom to start with. Something beyond me was telling me to continue with this. It's time to own the divine nature of who we are at the molecular level. They are the artistry from nature. They can talk to anybody who's open, and they make a great intuitive tool for a self-exploration. These cards and guidebook will invite you to your deeper knowing. I'm inviting you to support my Kickstarter campaign. I think you will love the cards and get a lot out of them and learn from them, and it can't happen without your support. So I appreciate any support you give. So thank you, thank you, thank you for your support.